This is a gem car, and the gem car is 100 inches long. It's the same basic wheelbase as a smart car. This is where I plug it in. This is my showpiece thing that I do, and it just plugs into a regular 110 outlet, and it just needs an extension cord. The blue is the motor. That's a wolf whistle because you got to make noise. This is a regular whistle. Your brains to your car is here, and that's it. It just looks like a golf cart. It's tall on top. The batteries sit under the seat and behind the seat. First, we'll go through the safety features on the car.
Very good.
We both have lap belts that go around our lap. That's the only safety thing that's in the car. There are no airbags. The car's got a radio. This is the washer switch. Works like a regular car. It's got a key. The emergency brake. Okay, we have a dashboard that shows the speed of the car, and it shows how many miles it's gone on a odometer or a trip meter, and the amount of battery that we've got. So because it's electric, it makes absolutely no noise when it goes, and I don't know, can we be ready for a ride?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. And all we've got is a block that we're running in, but in a block, this time we've got it up to 22 miles an hour. Top speed on this car legally is 25.
How fast can it really go?
I've been 60.
Oh my gosh.
The gauge down here that's turned red, now it's back to green, is what the batteries are doing. And it's called a battery management system. On a full charge, it should get 27 to 30 miles to a charge. Because the batteries are acid batteries and are kind of at the whim of Mother Nature, they don't like cold and they don't like real hot. Mm-hmm. And so they during the winter I get about half the mileage.
Around. This thing
Right.
is so cool.
Okay, well, look forward to answering questions from everybody.